Right, hello Year 5 and welcome to your PHSE lesson for your Friday. I hope many of you enjoyed making your dreams and goals journal last week, and will you please make sure that that is ready for today, because you're going to be carrying on putting information together and keeping all of that in one place. So if you can get out your journal and make sure you have a pen or a pencil ready, we're going to be investigating jobs and careers today. Okay, so remember, a dream and a goal. A dream is something that you hope to become one day or you hope to achieve one day, and the goal is going to help you to get to that dream. Okay, and it's those steps that you're going to take and what you're going to do to achieve that goal. All right, so we're going to be looking at different careers today, and some of you have given what you want to become some thought already, and you've made a dream cloud, or you've put up some information in your dream journal already about what you think that you would like to become one day. Now, I would like you to have a think about these jobs that I've put on the screen for you. And I would like you to rank them from what you think is the most important job to the least important job. And what you can do is you can just number them. So number 1 would be your most important job. So which one of those do you think is going to be the most important to the least important? And we've got a doctor, a nurse, a teacher, a mechanic, so somebody who could be like a car mechanic sorting out cars. A charity worker is somebody who helps the community and helps people that are less fortunate. A footballer, a singer, a pilot, somebody who flies planes. A train driver, a fire officer, an army officer, a postman, a vet, and an office worker or a banker. Okay, so have a think about what do you think is the most important job and what is the least important job, and rank them from numbers 1 to 10, and then, or no, I think it's a bit more than 10. You've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 1 to 14, and then you can unpause the video when you're done. So have a go at that now. Right, in your journal underneath, what I would like you to do is to think about who earns the most and why do you think that would be? So out of all those people, who do you think would earn the most money? Okay, and why do you think they would be the most paid? Okay, why do you think they would get the most money? Number 2, who do you think contributes to the most in society? So who do you think gives the most back to the community? Okay, and question number 3, who should earn the most based on the job they do? So which one of those jobs do you think should earn the most? Okay, all right, so your question 1 would be who could earn the most, all right, who do you think would earn the most? And question number 3 would be, who do you think you would want out of all of those jobs to earn the most? Okay, and so write those answers in your journal for me. So if you needed to pause the video at any point, please do so and get those answers in. Right, and now I want you to have a think. Here are some salaries. So this is the amount of money people earn in a year. All right, and I would like you to have a think about matching up these salaries to how much somebody could earn. All right, so do you think that these are accurate representations of how much people earn? Okay, so just have a little think. All right, there's no right or wrong answer. It's just have a go. All right, and these are some of the salaries that some people could earn. Right, so we're going to be looking at what some people actually do earn if we take an average, which means take all the hairdressers, and if we sort of average it out, this is what they could earn. Now, this is not completely 100% accurate. Some hairdressers may earn more, some hairdressers may earn less. So it's not a set amount, but you can see there which job has the highest earning, and you can see at the bottom there the professional footballer is by far the highest achieving, and I know that even like really top ranked footballers would earn even well over that amount. So to have a think and just have a look at that. And what professions can you think of that are not on this list? Okay, is there any other jobs that are obviously not on this list? Think about what they are. What values do these roles have in society? So what do you think these people do for the community? What do you think they do for people like you, your families, your friends? Okay, what do you think that their role is, their job? What must they do? Does anything surprise you about these amounts? So can you believe that somebody like a footballer is getting so much money, but perhaps somebody who's in the army gets so little? Okay, if somebody who works in the army is risking their life to keep our country and the people in it safe, and somebody like a footballer who's just doing it as a sport and entertainment, and probably has a real passion for that sport, but look how much he is earning in comparison to somebody who's risking their life. So do you think that that would be fair, or do you think it is unfair? Okay, so have a little think about those questions. Excuse me. Right, and I would like you to think just about money in general. Do you think money is more important than friendships? Do you think money is more important than having a good family, showing kindness, helping other people and supporting other people, having good values, so knowing what's right and wrong, or even your health? Okay, and the health one in particular for me is something that's always stood out, because if you're not a healthy person, you could be the richest person on the planet, but if you are not being a healthy person, and you are being quite poorly all the time, you're not going to be able to enjoy your money. So having your health might be, for some people, really, really important. So just have a think about that, because one day you're going to have to think about getting a job. And what do you want that job to give you? Do you want to just get lots of money but hate your job? Or do you want to be in a job that maybe doesn't pay as much money, but it's very rewarding, and you feel like you're helping people and you're supporting people and you're making other people happy? Or is it that hopefully maybe both of those things can come together, like being a professional footballer, but is it that that is going to be something that's realistic, that you're going to become a professional footballer? So have a little think about that. Think about what money means to you and what that is in the bigger picture of life. Okay, so that's all you got for PHSE today, just having a real think about salaries and how much money one needs to earn, and what kind of a job do you think you would like to have when you're older, and is that going to be revolving around money? Okay, so I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Enjoy it, take care, and I will see you back next week.